Are you ready to embark on a journey, whether it's across the globe or just around the corner? Today, we're uncovering the essential travel companions that are a must for any expedition. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newcomer to the world of wanderlust, these items will elevate your journey to the next level. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's dive into the top 5 things you need to take when you're traveling. Packing power, the carry-on arsenal. The art of packing. We all know the struggle, don't we? But fear not. Our first essential is the cornerstone of any trip, the carry-on arsenal. This treasure trove includes a travel-sized power bank to keep your gadgets charged and a versatile scarf that doubles as a blanket or fashion statement. Also, a durable water bottle to stay hydrated, and a universal adapter because, well, the world's outlets love playing hard to get. Not forgetting the all-important travel-sized toiletries to keep you fresh and fabulous during your adventures. Ink trails, the wanderer's journal. Every journey tells a story, and what better way to capture it than with a wanderer's journal? A journal becomes your canvas, painting vivid memories of your escapades. Jot down snippets of your day, glue in those quirky tickets, or sketch the breathtaking landscapes you encounter. Let your thoughts wander and your pen follow. A tangible treasure trove of your travel tales. Gadget galore, adventure-ready tech gear. As we journey into the digital age, our next essential travel companions are our gadgets. Your trusty smartphone, capturing memories in pixels, and a camera to freeze moments in high definition. Don't forget your noise-canceling headphones for a peaceful escape or to groove to your travel playlist. And of course, an action camera for those thrilling, action-packed adventures, because who wouldn't want to relive those heart-racing moments? Footloose and fancy-free, comfort in footwear. One of the most crucial yet overlooked essentials, comfortable footwear. Whether you're strolling through charming cobblestone streets or trekking rugged terrains, the right pair of shoes can make or break your adventure. From walking shoes for urban exploration to hiking boots for rugged trails, ensuring your feet are happy is key to savoring every step of your journey. Cultural connectives, local guide and language aids. And last, but certainly not least, immerse yourself in the local experience with cultural connectives. A local guide or phrasebook can be your bridge to understanding the culture, while language aids can help you communicate with the heartwarming locals you'll meet along the way. Embrace the beauty of understanding and being understood in different languages, and watch your travel experiences blossom. Your journey begins now. And that, dear travelers, concludes our list of must-have travel companions. But remember, the most important thing to carry is an open mind and a heart hungry for adventure. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep wandering. Bon voyage!